Morning all, we are on Sunday the 12th of September on Iona. We have had a really nice day so far. We had breakfast in the beach house, like a buffet, and then we had some lunch at like a street food place in the Sky Dome, and that was really nice as well. We're just chilling out really, exploring the ship, and the sea is super calm and it's not sunny anymore. But no, it is really calm. We passed the Channel Islands, so we got a bit of signal to go on social media and whatnot. And we're not rushing the day, you know. We'll just see what the day brings, and then we'll be having a meal in the main dining room again as well. So we had our tea in the Pearl restaurant, and I had a really nice grilled salmon. It was beautiful. I had prawn cocktail for a starter, and then just ice cream for after, because the puddings didn't really look appetizing to me. So I thought I'd settle with the, you know, what was the best, so ice cream. And we really enjoyed it. And Carl had the, was it the brisket? Carl had the brisket, which was really nice as well. And a really nice glass of, is it white wine?
Yeah.
Tuma River it was called. So I think that's going to be our regular drinking wine while we are dining. So we have popped into the Anderson's bar, which is also a library. Lots and lots of books as well, and the spot that we've walked into, there's nobody actually here, and it is a really nice little place, isn't it, Carl? A nice little seating area. Also comes with its own little gin lab, gin distillery. Yes, that's the one. Look at it, it's awesome. We're just heading into the atrium, which is really pretty. I mean, let's just show you some clips of the atrium. Just saw something really lovely. A gentleman just proposed to his missus on the stairs in the atrium, and not a lot of people noticed until we clocked it. So I was just like, I have to like congratulate them, you know, give them a clap. So I did, and I just started clapping to them. So we have got back to our cabin and had a look outside the balcony, and it's very foggy, and the ship horn has been blowing every 2 minutes just to alert anybody that might be in the area that there is a massive ship coming their way. And then also our safe seems to be acting up as well, so we're having to wait for somebody to come and take a look at that, because obviously it is making a dreadful beeping sound, as you can just about hear. I have got no idea what that means and no internet to find out what that means, so we've just had to call somebody to come up and take a look. But that beeping is annoying. But the staff have been very efficient, and they're sending somebody up to have a look at it, even if it is at 8 o'clock at night. That's what they're there for, to be on hand if you need them. And we're not people that ask for a lot of things, except that beeping. I can't do with that all night. Just came out the cinema and we've just seen Cruella, and it's actually a very good film. We really enjoyed it, so it's definitely a film that we're going to watch again sometime in the future, isn't it? It was a good film, and it was a long film because my coccyx bone has retired for the night and it hurts, so I am sat down again, which doesn't help it. I need to lie down on the floor somewhere. I don't know, it's sore. Sunday the 13th of September on Iona. So we've just come down for breakfast and the ship is feeling like it's moving a little bit today on the water, and because I have motion sickness a bit, I can actually feel it moving, and I know once I get a bit of food in my belly because I'm hungry that I should feel a little bit better afterwards, but it really does mess with my one's head, the swaying and stuff. So we'll see how get breakfast out of the way and see if I feel any better afterwards. So we have just had breakfast and we're going to have a mooch at the aft of the ship. Just now sat in the laundrette reading my Kindle, waiting for the washing to get done. So there's 25 minutes left on the washers, but not too bad. Whack it all in the dryers, nice and clean, take it back to the room, and then we have more clothes. It's more shirts than anything really when we stayed in Southampton. And hopefully by then Carl's little tour could be finished, but I'm not guaranteeing that. But because the laundrette on 10, our floor, our deck is closed, I've had to come up 2 decks to 12 to use the laundrette here. We are having our lunch. I am having katsu chicken curry with sauce. And Carl has fish and chips with mushy peas and curry sauce. Really tasty. At the moment I am on my own, as I'm going to try and traverse my way back to a sweet shop that I saw on this 7th deck. And no, that's a lie, it's the 8th deck. He's after the Toblerone that he saw with the Iona's name on it, and I've seen a whopping big bar of Kinder, so I'm gonna go pick those up. So I don't think they are big bars, there's 32 of them, so I think they are small bars stacked up. But yes, these are going to be enjoyed throughout the holiday. And Carl's Toblerone, which I've got in 2 bars for £10. with Iona's name on it. So it's been a interesting busy couple of days, but it's hard to keep track with the vlog. But I've shown some bits and pieces of Iona, but I think I'm going to take lots of pictures and upload them to Instagram instead. So I'm going to leave this video here and enjoy the rest of my holiday. So I will drop a link to my Instagram when I am back on the home turf. If you enjoyed this video, please hit subscribe, tap on the bell, you'll get a notification when the video goes online. And until that time, I will see you guys soon.